that when my heart was guarded, walls built high, scars still new. I was learning how to breathe alone, not ready to feel something true. You smile like it wasn't dangerous, like loving you wouldn't hurt. I didn't know the timing was cruel, or that healing could come too late. You showed me what it felt like to laugh without holding back. But every step closer to you was a step towards what I lose. I'm falling in love too late, when the moment's already gone, when the doors are slowly closing, and the right time's already wrong. I found the truth in your eyes, when the future couldn't wait. I'm learning what it means to love. I've fallen in love too late. You spoke about plans and places, like there was still time to choose. I nodded like I wasn't scared, like I didn't know I'd lose you. I memorized all your habits, the way you say my name, knowing deep inside my chest nothing would ever be the same. I try to stop my heart from hoping, try to keep my feelings safe, but love doesn't follow reason, and time it never explains. I'm falling in love too late, when you're already halfway gone, and staying feels like breaking, and leaving feels just as wrong. I learned how to need you, right when I couldn't stay. I'm understanding love by falling in love too late. If we had met in different seasons, when the world wasn't this heavy, if I had known you earlier, before life rearranged me, maybe we wouldn't be whispering all the things we can't be. Maybe love wouldn't feel like goodbye before it even begins. I'm falling in love too late, in the quiet between the lines, where every look is saying we're too afraid to try. I hold on moments that were never meant to stay. I'm holding on to love that came into my life too late. I'm falling in love too late, but it doesn't mean it's a lie. It just means I found something real at the worst possible time. If loving you is my lesson, then I learn it even in pain, because some hearts only understand by falling in love too late. So if you ever wonder why I couldn't look away, it's because you were the right feeling that came at the wrong day. Streetlights humming like a lullaby, empty roads, just you and I. Coffee cups and tired eyes, but somehow this feels right. City breathing soft and slow. Radio plays something low. Your laughter cuts the dark in two. Didn't know I needed you. Clock keeps ticking, losing track. Every worry fades to black. In this moment, nothing's wrong. We're right where we belong. It's a feel good 2 a.m. when the world don't need living. No tomorrow in our hands. Just your head against my chest. Feel good 2 a.m. All the noise don't understand. When my heart beats just like that. It's a feel good 2 a.m. Neon signs and quiet dreams. We talk about everything. Broken past and future skies. Truths we hide in daylight lies. You say you're scared of loving fast. I say nights like this don't last. But if they fade, I'll still remember how you felt in late September. Every scar you try to hide looks like art to me tonight. No need fixing, no pretend. Just stay here till the end. It's a feel good 2 a.m. when the pain forgets your name. Every doubt begins to bend. When your smile pulls me in. Feel good 2 a.m. Even silence feels like friends. If this night is all we get, let it be a feel good 2 a.m. Ooh, slow dancing with the time. Ooh, your hand fits into mine. Ooh, don't wake me from this place. Let the stars keep our mistakes. Phone lights glow, but we ignore messages we can't afford to let them steal this fragile calm. Your heartbeat feels like home. You whisper dreams you never said. I listen like it's sacred thread. If love is just a state of mind, then I'm lost in yours tonight. If the sun comes way too soon and reality breaks through, promise me before we change, we'll remember how it feels when nothing hurts and nothing's fake. When we were more than just okay. It's a feel good 2 a.m. No defenses, no regrets. All the parts we try to mend. Finally get some rest. Feel good 2 a.m. if we never meet again. I'll replay this moment when I need to feel good City sleep, but my mind stays awake. Neon light, shimmer on the rain. Your name echoes in every thought, like a secret I never forgot. Shadows stretch across the wall. Every memory starts to call. I try to breathe, I try to be strong, but the night knows when something's wrong. I'm fine when the sun's around, but when the silence hits the ground, every truth I try to hide comes alive in the quiet night. These feelings after dark hit me harder than the light. Every heartbeat knows your name. Every wrong still feels right. I can't run, I can't lie. Say I'm better, say I'm alright, but I can't escape my heart or these feelings after dark. Phone lights up, then fades to black. Every almost pulling me back. I replay the things when we said, every maybe, every night. Yeah. Your laughter still lives in my head, like a song I can't forget. I tell myself I moved along, but the night says I'm still wrong. I'm strong enough to fake the day, but the moon sees through my games. When the world begins to sleep, that's when missing you gets deep. These feelings after dark break me open piece by piece. Every memory feels too close. Every wound still wants to bleed. I can't smile, I can't try. Say I'm fine, say goodbye, but I can't outrun my heart or these feelings after dark. Don't fade away. Why do you stay? Maybe love was never gone, just hiding where the daylight won't. Maybe I'm not as healed as I pretend. Maybe this is how it ends. If I had one wish tonight, I'd trade sleep for one more sign. There's somewhere in this lonely dark, you still feel this in your heart. 3 a.m., walls too thin. Every thought comes rushing in. I let the silence tear me apart with these feelings after dark. These feelings after dark are the truth I can't deny. Every tear I never cried falls alone tonight. I don't know how to let you go when the night still needs you close. I'm still listening to my heart, and these feelings after dark. summer vibes under neon color skies. Every kiss tastes like forever, every laugh is alive. We don't need a reason why, just your hand holding mine. Yeah, we're lost in summer vibes, and I hope we never find our way back. Sunset dripping tangerine on the waves and on our dreams. Polaroids inside my mind, every second feels like a scene. Windows down, midnight drives, warm air, city lights, talking about the things we'll do, like the summer never dies. No alarms, no regrets, only moments we won't forget. If this is all we get, I'm good with it. We're lost in summer vibes under neon color skies. Every kiss tastes like forever, every laugh is alive. We don't need a reason why, just your hand holding mine. Yeah, we're lost in summer vibes, and I hope we never find our way back. Oh, feel the heat. Oh, you and me. Oh, close your eyes, let it be this good tonight. When the fall comes knocking and the nights turn cold, I'll still hear your laughter in the stories we told. If the colors start fading and the sun says goodbye, I remember this feeling like it's frozen in time.